In this lesson, you are going to become a master of verb to ask in Spanish present tense. The verb to ask in Spanish is
preguntar,
and this verb is regular Spanish verb that finish in AR. We taught you these regular verbs in previous videos. If you didn't watch it, you can find a link in the description. Let's start with a quick view of the grammar. I ask.
yo pregunto,
You ask.
tú preguntas,
He, she asks.
él, ella pregunta,
We ask.
nosotros preguntamos,
You ask.
vosotros preguntáis,
They ask.
ellos preguntan.
As you see, this verb has the same endings or conjugations as the regular verbs. So let's start with the examples and vocabulary. I ask you about our grandparents.
Te pregunto sobre nuestros abuelos.
They didn't ask an easy question.
No preguntan preguntas fáciles.
Does he ask about the travel that we have?
¿Él pregunta sobre el viaje que tenemos?
We don't ask stupid things.
No preguntamos cosas estúpidas.
You're asking too much.
Preguntas demasiado.
Do you ask new things every day?
¿Preguntas cosas nuevas todos los días?
If you want to learn Spanish, follow the link in the description, and you will find our complete course with more than 600 lessons, 300 exercises, more than 60 hours content, and a community where you can ask questions and our teachers will answer you, and meet people learning Spanish to practice. Only $249 lifetime. If you want to continue learning for free, just click here and you will find the next free lesson.